Federal High Court in Abuja has cleared Asue Ighodalo, the Edo State governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, of alleged forgery. This is in a case instituted by Philip Shuaibu, the impeached deputy governor of Edo State, and 3 others intended to disqualify Ighodalo as the PDP governorship candidate for the September polls for allegedly submitting forged documents to the electoral body INEC. But the judge, James Omotosho, held that Shuaibu and others failed to prove their case, having relied on the voter's card of Ighodalo alleged to be fake. The judge held that there was no evidence beyond reasonable doubt to prove that the card was forged. More so, he added that not having a voter's card is no basis for disqualifying a governorship candidate. Omotosho also held that Shuaibu and 3 others filed their case beyond the 14 days that were meant to do so to challenge the emergence of Ighodalo as the Edo governorship candidate of the PDP. In addition, the judge held that Shuaibu lacked the legal right to challenge the outcome of the governorship primary that produced Asue Ighodalo, having not been a participant in the same. The judge therefore dismissed the case for lacking merit. We're now being joined from Benin City, the capital of Edo State, by Dennis Osaretin, who's the spokesperson for the PDP Governorship Campaign Council. Good day. Thank you so much for joining us on Newsday.
Good afternoon, and thank you for having me.
Well, I'm sure you're overjoyed by this ruling, but just share with us your reaction to this court ruling.
Absolutely. We are overjoyed, and the PDP as a party, and of course the campaign council, is overjoyed. It is something that we have been expecting. We know that the court is a court for justice. We understood clearly from the very beginning that Philip Shuaibu and his gang or conspirators had nothing in the offing. They wanted to come through the back door to Government House, but the court have stopped them in their tracks this afternoon, and we are very thankful to the court for doing justice and for reaffirming the fact that Asue Ighodalo is the candidate of the PDP in the forthcoming election, and the people are to be rest assured that come September, we will vote massively for the candidate of the PDP, Asue Ighodalo.
And for the PDP and for Asue Ighodalo now, do you think this will be enough to put down any speculations as to his candidacy for the governorship elections that are upcoming?
Absolutely. This judgment has put pay to the 5th columnists who have been spreading all manner of lies and propaganda, to cast doubt on the confidence that we have reposed in our candidate. So it's very obvious now that those who have been planning, who have no manifesto, who have no candidate to sell in this election, but all their plan is to come to the Government House through the back door. They have been stopped in their track, and our confidence and our confidence reposed in our candidate have been further reaffirmed that Asue Ighodalo is the frontline candidate in this election, and there's joy, palpable joy in the streets of Benin as we speak.
But are you not worried, that this ruling might be appealed, considering the fact that a court had earlier ruled that some delegates were unfairly excluded from the primaries?
Not at all. Bear in mind that one of the arguments that was canvassed in the court by Philip Shuaibu and his conspirators is that they wanted to challenge the emergence of our candidate. And the court has said clearly, without any equivocation, that it lacks jurisdiction. So it's an issue of jurisdiction. So even if they want to appeal today and appeal all the way to the Supreme Court, it will amount to nothing beyond an academic exercise. So it does not affect our chances whatsoever in any shape or form.
Right.
Rather, it has further reaffirmed and boosted our confidence in the candidacy of Asue Ighodalo as the leading candidate for the PDP in the forthcoming elections.
Well said. Thank you so much, Dennis Osaretin, spokesman for the Edo State PDP Governorship Council. Thank you for joining us today.